I will demonstrate on how we can activate and change the default password of your Office 365 account that was recently distributed by DepEd on our Gmail. And while we're on it, let's try to install it on your computer and see what are the available software that we can use in online teaching. Reminder, before we start, please uninstall all the pre-existing, unlicensed, or cracked version of Microsoft Office application on your computer to minimize the chance of getting an error. For the system requirements, it is now flashed on your screen. This application is not recommended to be used on all laptop or netbook. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to be up to date. So now let's start. Open any browser that's available on your computer. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, to name the few. Then type office.com on the search box. After the website has fully loaded, find the sign in button, either the one on top or the left. Then click it. In this dialog box, use the email address that was sent previously on your Gmail. Just copy and paste it and click Next. Then use the include temporary password and click Sign In. And now, we need to update the temporary password with our own. On the first box, paste your temporary password. On the second and third box, enter your own password. Microsoft requires you to follow a combination of letters, either upper or lowercase, numbers, and symbols with a length of not less than 8 characters in creating your password. Also, the system will not let you use some commonly used password. If you want to learn more about password policy recommendations, you can check the link on the description below. Now, let's try. And you will see this error. Now, I will type my password with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. And click Sign In again. Before I click Next, the most important thing is to memorize your password or write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a secure place for future reference. And now, click Next. Don't lose access to your account. To make sure you can reset your password, we need to collect some information so we can verify who you are. You'll need to set up at least one of the options below. This will help you in case you forget your password and want to reset it. Let's use the authentication email setting. Then type your preferred email, either your DepEd email or your personal email. Then click Email Me. Microsoft has now sent a verification code to the email you type above. Now log into that email account to get the verification code. Just copy and paste it to this box. And click Verify. Now, it is up to you if you like to set up another means to reset your password. For me, I will just click Finish. Then click Yes. This is now your dashboard with all the available software you can install and use. Browse the different software and find out what best fits for your needs for online teaching. And now, let's install Office 365. The download and installation may take a while, depending on the speed of your internet and computer specs. After the installation is complete, a pop-up screen will appear. Just click close. And now open any Microsoft application. I already have a pre-existing activated account. I will just log it out and log this new one. And now just log in your previous Office 365 email account and your newly created password. For me, I'll disable this function. Now, I'll just click yes to upgrade my current Microsoft Office and restart the computer to finish the update. That's it! You have a fully activated Office 365 that you can install and sync with the other 10 devices. In the next video, let us install Office 365 on your mobile device and sync it with your computer. Ciao!